tank time. Been working on my countertop and I'm gonna stain it. I like this early American stain. And for small jobs, I'm just gonna use this paper towel. There we go. That's a nice even coat. And this part of my counter is actually gonna flip up. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with the bottom of it. Going to put some satin urethane on the countertop. You can sand it after 2 hours. 3 coats are recommended. After final coat, allow 3 hours before light handling. And 24 hours before normal use. Wow. 2 hours. Well, tomorrow we'll put another couple coats on there then. And then we'll put it back in the camper for good. Okay, the countertop is now stained with the early American. 3 coats of urethane. I got my wiring all set in there so I don't have to mess with that. So let's get this countertop in here for good. That's it. Beauty. Hopefully not to come out again. Beautiful. True induction. Faucet. And we're gonna put the handle at a 45, about like that. I even have the piece of wood that came out of here. Wow. This piece of plywood is the base where the composting toilet's going to go. And this edge is going to be seen, so you can get this edge banding pre-glued, iron on. So there's glue on the back, and it just glues on there with the iron. The iron melts the glue. It's slightly wider than the plywood. Give it a quick sand. Boy, that looks nice, doesn't it? I've been out here cutting up plywood for the dividers, shelving for in the closet. These are going to be the closet shelves. We have dividers here. These are the ones going This one actually is going next to the batteries. This one's going next to the water tanks, and then the platform goes next to that. That's a little shelf because it's going to go above the drawers under the bed. You know, there's 2 inches of space there, so I figured I might as well use it. Another divider for drawer sliders, drawer slider divider. And I notched all these out on the bottom just to let air circulate through there. You know, there's going to be some heat buildup. This piece is the one that goes in front of the cooler and the shower box. I'm going to put this mesh screen, flattened, expanded aluminum. This is going to go right here. Just for a little decorative. It's actually going to go this way. Little decorative piece down there. Paint that black. And you can see I routed this out a little bit here. And on this end it goes all the way to the wall. Drill a hole through. That's for a wire, and I'm going to put that's the floor strip light's going to go on there. I've really been jamming on this project hard the last few weeks. I got to get this thing out of here. It's early November, and even though it's in the 70s this weekend, record breakers, I have to get in the tractor, get a snowblower on there, get that up to Bolton. I got to bring in the Bobcat, get that serviced and ready for winter, and bring in the Army truck and the Ford and get plows and spreaders on those. So this project's got to get out of here. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.